Hello, everybody. Welcome to Higher Certificate in Law 2020. I am Negricosa. Today we are doing the continuation of INS 1502. Thank you very much for the feedback that you gave me. Um, yeah, just want to say thank you for the feedback. Um, I'm very excited about this software that I have found. It is very convenient and time saving for everyone, and it is very good as well. So, yeah, I'm very happy about it. Guys, I'm not feeling very well today, but well, what can I do? It's social feeling being it. So, I just have to try and do this because I understand how important it is to you. So, let's just get on with it. Question 1. The ability to work with information in order to solve problems is called. The answer is 3. Information literacy. Question 2. A news group on the internet provides. The answer is 3. Online discussion forums. Question 3. You are required to compile a list of sources. Using the list 1 to 6 below, identify one correct answer that demonstrates the correct sequence for the list of sources. The answer is 1. There, I have already highlighted the answer there. Question 4. Which of the following concepts make it legally right to reproduce a substantial portion of the works of another person with permission? The answer is 2. Copyright. Question 5. You are required to locate peer-reviewed articles on a topic that was assigned to you. Where would you find this information? The answer is 4. Journals. Question 6. Use the following do-it-call numbers to answer this question. The answer is 2, which is between 2 and 3, which means that our answer is between 2 here and 3 here as well, as I have highlighted. Question 7. A periodical index is used to. The answer is 2. Find journal articles. Question 8. The two main activities involved in retrieving information are. The answer is 3. Locating relevant sources and selecting information. Question 9. A work plan refers to. The answer is 2. Developing an outline from which to work. Question 10. Which of the following is a suitable reference source that could be used to start an information task? The answer is 2. Encyclopedia. Question 11. The Dewey Decimal Classification System divides knowledge. The answer is 3. By subject. Question 12. Which type of reference source will you use to answer the following query? What is the meaning of the German word Zeitgeist? The answer is 1. Translating dictionary. Question 13. A reference source that provides useful facts and statistics about a company is called an. The answer is 1. Yearbook. Question 14. Yahoo is. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. A search engine. Yeah. Question 15. An example of Braille literature is. The answer is 3. Brochures. Question 16. I can expect to find geographical information in N. The answer is 2, 8 lists. Question 17. The OPAC at the UNISA library is in. The answer is 4, online system for finding information sources in a specific library. 18. Government documents concerned with government laws are called. The answer is 3, bills and acts. Question 19. You are searching for information on the following commercial banks: Nedbank, Absa, and FNB. What would you type into a database search to find the longest list of relevant sources for your topic? The answer is 1, Nedbank or Absa or FNB. Question 20. Which is the correct URL for the University of New South Wales in Sydney? The answer is 3, as I have highlighted there. Question 21. Which statement is correct regarding search engines? The answer is 1. Different search engines offer different search options. Question 22. Which citation for an internet source is correct? The answer is 4. Let me scroll down so that you can see it clearly. I'll just leave it at the top of the screen there. The answer is 4. 22. The answer is 4. Okay. Question 23. Which statement about the internet is correct? The answer is 2. The internet is not structured. Question 24. Information literacy education, a new role for public libraries, is the title of an article. Which of the words listed below is not a keyword? The answer is 3, role. Question 25. Which statement is correct with regard to an information task? The answer is 3. If I present my own point of view, it must be substantiated. Let's get to the next tutorial. Question 1. The 21st century is regarded as an. The answer is 3, information society. Question 2. A work plan, the answer is 2, is a rough draft of an information task. Question 3. An assignment requires you to write an academic essay. Using the list 1 to 5 given below, identify one correct answer that demonstrates the sequence for the general format for an academic essay. Let me just scroll down so that you can see everything there. The answer is 1. Here is our answer here, which is 1. Okay. Question 4. Which words or concepts in the following topic provide you with the key to what must be discussed in the task? In an essay of 1,200 words, explain why South Africa needs more social workers to play a role in combating AIDS in rural areas in particular. Let me scroll down so that you can see the answers. Here are our options here. The answer is 4, AIDS social workers. Question 5. To find a book in the library on the life of Nelson Mandela, you would look, the answer is 4, in the library catalog. Question 6. Which would be the best verified information source to use to find information on the latest research on the AIDS epidemic? The answer is 1, scientific journal. Question 7. Intellectual property, copyright, and plagiarism refer to the answer is 3, ethical use of information. Question 8. A bibliography is, the answer is 2, a list of information sources. Question 9. Which of the following is an action word verb that instructs you what to do when writing an essay? The answer is 2, discuss. That is our verb there. Question 10. Did A.L. 2002 South Africa's Information Industry and Becky's African Renaissance Mosaion 20 and all those numbers. The reference above is a bibliographic citation for a. The answer is 3, journal article. Question 11. What types of search results would you likely get if you type into a database search? The answer is 4, articles that contain terms such as psychology, psychopaths, and psychedelic. Question 12. In the text reference to a website, an in-text reference to a website should include an. The answer is 12. The answer is 4, date of publication. Let's just leave out 13 there because we don't have the full all 4 options there, so it's not. Question 14. The index of a book, the answer is 1, indicates which subjects are covered. Question 15. The edition of a publication is, the answer is 2, a specific version of the publication. Question 16. The first step in defining a word in an academic task is to use. The answer is 2, a dictionary. Question 17. Which citation is correct for an internet source? The answer is 1. I am not going to read out everything there. Yeah. Let me just highlight it. Yeah, you can see it. There is the answer. The answer is 1. Question 18. The main advantage of the internet as opposed to a library is. The answer is 4, ease of access. Question 19. Which one of the following criteria is useful to evaluate information on the www? The answer is 3, check for currency. Question 20. The Dewey Decimal System divides knowledge. The answer is 3, by subject. Question 21. The ISN The ISSN of a journal is there. The answer is 4. International Standard Serial Number. Question 22. When searching for something about, when searching something about which little is known or topics that are not clearly defined, one will use an, the answer is 2, meta search engine. Question 23. The internet and the web are entities that are, the answer is 1, fluid. Question 24. Indicate the option that should not be included. The body of an essay consists of the following. The answer is 1, title page. Question 25. The last stage before submission of an assignment is, the answer is 2, proofreading the content. Okay, now I just want us to get to this exam packs. It doesn't have, exam pack. It doesn't have options. They just they just wrote the correct answer, but it was written by a person, so maybe we are going to get some answers wrong and all that, but well, you know what to do. Just write the correct answer. And another thing, okay, it's fine, to avoid confusion, let me just read out everything, because I just noticed that most of the questions that we have on these multiple choices here, which is in the exam pack, they're not on those tutorials that I did previously. So I just thought that maybe it will be very helpful if I also try to do it, for those who doesn't have access to Telegram and all that. But I do suggest that you get Telegram, guys. It's very, very helpful, multiple choice questions. Question 1. Information skills refer to? The answer is the ability to access, evaluate, and use information. Question 2. Information in the information age is regarded as an, the answer is commodity. Question 3. The main purpose of a library catalog is to? The answer is identify and locate library sources. Question 4. Which statement is correct of an information task? The answer is information tasks are tasks requiring the use of information. Question 5. A work plan is a? The answer is list of information sources to solve the information problem. Question 6. I am using a book from the library to complete my INS1502 assignment. This is an example of, the answer is information. Question 7. Indicate the incorrect option. The answer is I should use the heading body for the middle of my essay. Question 8. A table of content to a printed source is usually found. The answer is in the front of a book. Question 9. Which statement about the internet is correct? The answer is only peer-reviewed information can be retrieved from the internet. Question 10. A URL is an? The answer is website address. Question 11. Which statement is incorrect with regard to reference sources? The answer is, if I want to search for articles on a specific subject, I need to consult directly. Question 12. Which type of text mapping will be the most useful if you wanted to map the hierarchy of the Department of Social Work? The answer is mind map. Question 13. Which of the following is a Boolean operator used to broaden searches? The answer is or. Question 14. Firefox is an. The answer is email service provider. Question 15. The is included in the citation of a website. The answer is place of publication. Question 16. Which steps is in the planning phase of an information task? The answer is locate relevant sources. Question 17. Which option is an example of a direct sorry guys which option is an example of a direct reference source? The answer is a library catalog. Question 18. Which statement is correct regarding search engines? The answer is different search engines offer different search options. Question 19. Which is the best type of information source to consult if you need a definition of the term bibliography? The answer is Subject Dictionary. Question 20. The purpose of an introduction in an essay is to. The answer is give background on the topic. Question 21. 52986 DUP is an example of an. The answer is call number. Question 22. The process of learning throughout life relies on. The answer is information literacy. Question 23. The information society refers to a society where. The answer is information is a commodity. Question 24. The verbs access, evaluate, and use present. The answer is the work plan. I don't understand what I'm reading here. That's why I'm laughing. Okay, but it's better because you can see. Question 25. Is an example of a reference source which could be used to find and complete an academic information task. The answer is indexing journal. Question 26. The phases of completing an information task are. The answer is plan, find, organize. Question 27. A work plan refers to. The answer is writing up information in order to explain it. Question 28. Search engines are used to. The answer is retrieve information from the internet. Question 29. A reference or citation of an information source consists of. The answer is bibliographical detail. Question 30. The DDC system divides knowledge. The answer is by subject. Question 31. A reference source that provides useful facts and statistics is called an. The answer is almanac. Question 32. I can expect to find geographical information in an. The answer is atlas. Question 33. During the final phase of an information task, you will. The answer is appraise your essay. Question 34. Essential components of a work plan are. The answer is keywords. Question 35. The is an. The is or are included in the bibliographical reference of an article? The answer is a place of publication. Question 36. The first page of a book is called the answer is contents. Question 37. Plagiarism is, the answer is copying someone else's work without acknowledgement. Question 38. The index of a book, the answer is lists citations in alphabetical order. Question 39. Which of the following is a Boolean operator? The answer is not. Question 40. The Boolean operator or allows the searcher to, the answer is initiate a search. Question 41. Which of the following statement is correct with regard to academic essays? The answer is subheadings are included in the table of contents. Question 42. Which statement is correct for work plan? The answer is a work plan is used to plot a course through an information task. Question 43. Pages on the World Wide Web are written in www. Question 44. The act of writing an academic essay includes the following. The answer is analyzing the sources found. Question 45. ICTs are used. The answer is in all areas of society. Question 46. Information literate people. The answer is have ability to know when information is needed. Question 47. All the information sources in a specific library are called the answer is catalog. Question 48. In order to find successfully, one needs knowledge of, the answer is the vocabulary of a subject field. Hey guys, I think there's an error in this one, but yeah. Question 49. Guide words are found in, the answer is handbooks. Question 50. An essential part of the process of drawing up a work plan is, the answer is interpreting the topic. Question 51. Reference sources that provide facts and statistics are, the answer is almanacs and yearbooks. Question 52. A biographical dictionary may provide information on, the answer is Oliver Tambo. Question 53. An index to a printed source is usually found, the answer is at the back of the title page. Question 54. Which is an example of an information task? The answer is planning an essay type assignment. Question 55. Which statement is true with regard to academic essays? The answer is, if I present my own point of view, it must be substantiated. Question 56. Yahoo is, the answer is email service provider, but I think there's an error with this one. Remember, we did it before and the answer was not email service provider. Question 57. Students need to cite information. The answer is when taking information from sources. I just want us to rectify that Yahoo question. which is question number 56. Here on the tutorial that we did, the answer was for a search engine. Yahoo is a search engine. That is the answer that I think is correct. But I am not saying that that exam pack is wrong, but just do a double check, guys. I think the correct answer is a search engine, not the email service provider. Or maybe the option of search engine was not present in that in the options that the writer of the exam pack had, or I just don't know, you know. Just do a thorough checkup. Maybe both answers are correct. I don't know. So that is the end of our INS 1502 a revision. Please, guys, just do yourself a favor. You can do whatever to pass. You can listen to this audio while you write your exams. No, you can watch this video while you write your exams. You can do anything, you know. Open up all your notes, open up all your books, do anything. But please, guys, refrain from study groups. Refrain from those WhatsApp groups, because people take screenshots and you are going to be in trouble for something that is useless. So just stay away from WhatsApp while you are busy with your exam, and just make sure that you are safe. Just be on the safe side. And if it is your first time in here, please click on that subscribe. And if you have subscribed successfully, that red text which is written subscribe is going to change its color from red to gray. And do not be afraid of subscribing. Subscribing is very much free. It is as free as liking a post on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. So you are not going to be charged any monthly fee or experience any lost or time or anything like that. You don't pay anything. Everything is just so free. When you have subscribed, you won't have to worry about losing this link or anything like that. You are just going to find everything on your subscriptions. So thank you guys for listening, and please, if you happen to like the video and if you find the video useful, just like the video. Yeah, and give me feedback where you feel like there's need for rectification and all that. From me to you is good luck.